Your views and comments in our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv, building bridges. Your views and comments.
Hello viewers, my name is Dog Vikela and you're watching ZimdiTv. This is 2018, the year for the harmonized general elections in Zimbabwe. The year the excitement is shooting over the roof. This political party saying we've got it in the bag. This political party saying we will have the majority. At ZimdiTv we bring you a program that takes a journey. It takes a journey into who is representing who. Which constituency is he representing? Is he the right candidate? What does he have to offer? Hashtag the candidate 2018 will be interviewing your candidates from your different constituencies. Be it senators, councillors, MPs, even the presidential candidates, and we hear their manifestos, we hear their promises. The good part is, as they promise, you will be able to interface with them. You'll be able to send your messages. You can even send us questions to ask them, what is it that is burning in your heart? If you are an aspiring candidate also, you might feel we'll leave you out or you feel left out. If you feel you have a manifesto to sell, you can contact us on the details on the bottom of our screen. ZimdiTv, building bridges.
May I welcome you to this press conference. Good afternoon, sir. We are blessed this afternoon. We have got our colleagues from the media, which include the ZRP Harmonized Relations Commander. His responsibility includes to plan, lead, organize, and provide guidance in the management of the elections by the Zimbabwe Public Police. He has served in the Zimbabwe Public Police in several capacities, which include 23 years in the Criminal Investigations Department. So you can see for yourself that he's quite a seasoned senior police officer. With him, we have the Chief Police Spokesperson, Senior State Commissioner Charity Charamba. They are not alone. We also have other senior officers who comprise the Zimbabwe Public Police National Elections Committee. And these include, I'll just run through, but they will not stand up. I think Commissioner Nyambaza, who is the deputy to Senior Ascom Makodza. We have Ascom Malunga. We have Ascom Ndlovu. We have Ascom Maseko. We have Chief Sup Stole. We have Chief Sup Nyaumwe. We have Spain Munemo. We have Spain Mawite. We have Spain Majada and the Secretariat. So far, the Elections Committee has formulated an election strategy and action plan to guide all members and officers involved in the plebiscites on the part of the Zimbabwe Public Police. Sir, may I now hand over to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I would want to thank you very much for coming to this very important press conference. As has been alluded before, my name is Senior Assistant Commissioner Makodza. I'm just going to read the press briefing. As the nation prepares for the 2018 harmonized elections, which are due between July and August 2018, the Zimbabwe Republic Police would like to take this opportunity to warn political parties and their members to desist from engaging in political violence as they hold their primary elections and during harmonized elections. Any form of violence, threats, or harassment of voters or rival contenders will certainly be dealt with in terms of the country's laws. Adequate security provisions have been put in place by the police to ensure primary and harmonized elections are held in a peaceful environment. In this respect, the judiciary, in liaison with the police and the other stakeholders, has set up special courts throughout the country to speedily and expeditiously deal with politically motivated crimes. On the other hand, the Commissioner General of Police has set up teams of experienced investigators in provinces to expedite the investigation and compilation of dockets for prosecution. This is in line with Section 133H of the Electoral Act, Chapter 2.13. The Zimbabwe Republic Police has engaged political parties, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission, and other stakeholders to ensure an environment which is conducive for the holding of peaceful, credible, transparent, and violent-free elections is maintained. Let me reiterate that anyone who engages in any form of political violence will certainly face the full wrath of the law. The following intimidatory practices which are prohibited under the Electoral Act will not be tolerated. Number one, inflicting or threatening to inflict bodily injury upon a person. Number two, abducting a person or detaining a person against his or her will. Number three, causing or threatening to cause unlawful damage to a person's property. Number four, withholding or threatening to withhold from a person any assistance or benefit to which that person is legally entitled. Number five, illegally doing or threatening to do anything to the disadvantage of a person. Number six, compelling or attempting to compel a person or persons generally to attend or participate in any political event. It does not matter whether you belong to the same party. If the person comes and launches a report to say, I've been compelled to attend a meeting, as the police will take that report and ensure that investigations are done and the culprits are brought to book. Number seven, through intimidation, preventing or obstructing a political party or candidate from campaigning in any election. We urge the media to continue to report objectively and factually during these plebiscites, and let us all avoid peddling hate speech and falsehoods. Section 36 in brackets 1 of the Criminal Law Codification and Reform Act, Chapter 9.23, provides that courts can impose a maximum sentence of 10 years imprisonment to anyone who commits politically motivated crimes. Thus, members of the public are accordingly warned. As the police will also lobby the judiciary to ensure that no bail is afforded to any person involved in political violence. The Zimbabwe Republic Police appeals to all political parties to cooperate with the police officers to ensure the maintenance of law and order before, during, and after harmonized elections. I thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Colleagues, feel free to raise questions relating to what has been said by Senior Assistant Commissioner Makoti. First, identify yourself.
I'm Billy from ZRP. In the past, the opposition has been accusing the police of being aligned to, it's not protecting its members, but only of the ruling party. What are you going to do this time to ensure that those allegations don't disappear?
It's okay, let's get another question.
Yes, Blessed from Newsday. I just wanted to find out what makes this statement, because we have heard police saying that the people involved in politically violent, in political violence will be arrested. In a number of instances, nothing has been done. What backs this statement to say that this is a statement of intent, a statement that will actually see the police acting? For instance, up to now, we have not seen any arrests whatsoever of people who threatened to ban one Thokozani Kupe in Buyera. Up to now, there has been nothing. So, but you are putting a serious statement out there. What should make the people of Zimbabwe believe that you are serious in what you are saying?
Robert Afmane, Sly Media TV Online. Just to add on from what Blessed is saying, do you have any statistics around the country of the cases that has been reported and dealt with so far?
Thank you very much. For the first question, your concern is that this case is going to be dealt with. And the response to you is that all those cases which are reported to the police are going to be dealt with. And this is why the Commander Harmonized Elections has spoken to you in this important press conference, so that you can actually hear it from him. The police are no longer doing business as before, but in this new trajectory, police officers have been given guidance, and there's a vision to deal with all cases. And when I say all cases, that is irrespective of your political party, your stature in life, your color, or whether you're a female or a male. These cases are going to be dealt with. And believe me, you are going to be seeing this. We cannot compare right now because, yes, some of the cases are here that have been reported, which are under investigations, and police are already dealing with quite a number of cases, though they are quite marginal. The next question was Thokozani Kupe's case. Investigations, when they are conducted, there are two issues. First, there might be leads and you arrest the perpetrators. As police, we are doing all we can to ensure that those perpetrators are brought to book. But we once again also appeal to you. We know those people who committed that offense do not stay in that particular province. They went there for a burial. And as police, we have to make follow-ups to ensure that we arrest the culprits who were involved. Right now, I don't have the correct status with regards to how far they've gone with the investigations. But be assured that police investigations are in progress, and once those people are arrested, I'm sure you'll be the first people to know. But investigations are in process, and investigations are not a one-event thing. It is a process which comes up. The other question was with regards to statistics. Yes, offhand here, we might not have the statistics, but we have a section here based at Police General Headquarters that captures all political motivated violence cases that occur across the country. They are recorded, and if you want to get the figures, we can always check on those figures. But for the purposes of this press conference, we were not prepared to issue out the statistics, but yes, we do have the statistics, because each case that is reported in Zimbabwe is recorded at a police station. Those figures are all channeled to Police General Headquarters, where we have the national data bank for all offenses, so we do have that.
Any further questions?
In terms of what is it that you are bringing to the table that shows that this is not just a bold statement that you are making, that you are indeed going to act? And Madam Charamba, you said that the police are not acting as they used to do. What did they used to do that they've changed now?
The first part, what they used to do, I can respond to that. Some of them were not doing their work, and they are now doing it properly. And they will definitely ensure that all cases that were reported will be done accordingly. In as much as you are also asking about the statement, it means something was not being done in the way that you expect police officers to do their work. But I'm saying this time around, the leadership has made it very clear that it's no longer business as usual, and all police commanders were addressed, and people are working towards achieving results. And he is going to respond again to you. But what I'm saying is, yes, this is the Commander Elections' address to the media today, to show that police are doing their business in a very different way. And I'm sure you have not seen this before. It shows we are doing our business in a different way, and internally we have also introspect and seen that there are areas where as police we need to improve. And you can only be able to assess that perhaps after the elections or gradually. You cannot assess it like now, because we're just saying it, but you are also free as the media to assess later and say what he said in that room on the 23rd of April, did he really mean it? That can be done. But for today, yes, you can have your doubts, you're entitled to doubts. But after some time, say give us a month or 2 months, you'll be able to assess and say, were the police genuine in what they said? That is all we want to point out to you.
Basically, we are not theorizing anything. What we are saying is what we are going to do. For your own information, the fewer cases that we have received so far, most of the accused persons have been arrested, and some of them are in jail as I speak. They were denied bail, despite the fact that their trials have not yet taken off. We are saying no to political violence. Political violence does not pay anyone anything. We don't want political violence. So we are going to put into practice what we are talking, what I have just been talking about. We are just going to make sure that there is no violence. We want a free, credible, transparent elections. And that is what every Zimbabwean is wishing for. That is what everyone in the region is wishing for. International observers also are wishing us the same thing. So we should respect that. I hope you are answered.
Sure,
thank you.
I'm Lapie from... I hope I got you correctly. You mentioned that no person will be granted jail for any politically motivated violence. Is there any law that governs that?
Maybe you hate me, man. You didn't hear him right. He said we are going to lobby. We are going to lobby the judiciary so that people are not given bail. So it becomes more deterrent when people commit. He didn't say, because as the police we do not have any right to deny people bail. But he said we will lobby. And that is a way of ensuring that those people who commit offenses, before they even think about it, they will think that if I don't get any bail, I will not be able to vote during the forthcoming elections because I will be behind bars. I hope you are answered. I think there are no questions anymore. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for attending this important press conference. Have a good day.
Welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv. Building bridges. Your views